There's nothing you are looking for that you will not see here. Specialization in education, diversity and childhood. Master's degree in communication, doctorate in language studies, master's degree in language studies, master's degree in computer science, master's degree in natural resources, master's degree in veterinary science, master's degree in energy efficiency and sustainability, master's degree in education, master's degree in education, basically I think different campuses or something, doctorate in natural resources, master's degree in applied computing, master's degree in production engineering, master's degree in family health, master's degree in nursing, master's degree in administration, master's degree in movement science, master's degree in science teaching, master's degree in psychology, doctorate in border studies, master's degree in border studies, master's degree in electrical engineering, doctorate in science education, doctorate in administration, master's degree in letters, master's degree in social anthropology, master's degree in geography, doctorate in letters, master's degree in accounting science, doctorate in geography, master's degree in mathematical education, doctorate in veterinary science, master's degree in infectious and parasitic diseases, master's degree in biotechnology, master's degree in material science, master's degree in ecology and conservation, master's degree in plant biology, master's degree in animal biology, master in agronomy, doctorate in computer science, doctorate in mathematical education, master's degree in nursing, doctorate in come on, this is what we call massive. Hello, graduate school enthusiasts. If you've ever dreamed of advancing your academic journey in one of most education-driven countries in Latin America, this is your moment, because Brazil has just opened a new round of masters and PhD opportunities in one of their top tiers university. And the best part is that the registration is absolutely free and foreigners are fully eligible, and you can complete the entire process yourself. I've personally simulated the application process and I can confirm it's seamless, clear and entirely transparent. In the course of this video, I'm going to be showing you the step by step, like I'm literally holding you by hand and showing you how to do it. But before you rush in, here is what is most important. Brazil takes education seriously, and I'm saying this because it is something that I've noticed among graduate school enthusiasts, especially people that reached out to me, some people that I've spoken to. Never underestimate the level of organization, diligence and credibility that governs selection process in Brazil. Every document you upload, every statement you write, and every detail you submit matters. This isn't one of those casual systems where luck decides who gets in. They give preference to applicants who pay close attention to details and present themselves professionally. If you are selected, you stand the opportunity of receiving stipends. So you don't need an agent, middleman, or connection to apply. What you need is focus, accurate documentation and right guidance to complete the process correctly. Now get ready. The first thing you need to do, of course, you are going to see the link of this page in the video description below. Click the link and it's going to bring you to this page. Once you get to this page, please translate this page to English so that you can flow. You can look at what you open, look at this video and confirm that what I'm saying is accurate. It's the same thing with what you are seeing on your screen. But before I proceed, let me quickly point out, based on what I heard from people recently, there's no gain in anyone, any YouTube or any content creator posting a video about how to apply without giving you a link. Okay, what is my gain if I tell you there's an opportunity and I'm not giving you a link? I would rather not even make such video. So any video I am posting on this channel, I attach the link. Oftentimes I don't know, maybe because of rush and some of what have you, I don't usually remember to upload the link immediately. But nonetheless, there's no way I will post a video without attaching the right link. Now this is the thing, it is possible for the link not to open from your end, and this is not dependent on, this is beyond my control. You all know how to bypass that, right? So in as much as open, this is what you are going to. So the description, the video link or the link to this particular page is in the description or in the comments. Just check around there, you are going to see. So once you click here, translate it to English, so you're going to see something like unified selection process. we have schools usually bring out opportunities separately, like programs in different schools, they bring out their opportunities, the course separately. But anytime you see it unified, that means all the programs in that school are listed. It is not common in Brazil. Whoever that is studying in Brazil will attest to this. However, so few schools still does that. That is the way we have it back home in Africa, in Nigeria, for example. Schools publish the notice of their application process. They do it in a unified way. So this is a unified selection. You are going to see all kinds of courses you are looking for. Now, before you look into the course, I want you to read so that you understand perfectly that this is an opportunity that foreigners can apply to. And it says the notice of the selection process of Brazilian and foreign candidates to fill vacancies in the master's and doctoral courses of the stricto sensu graduate programs for admission in the first semester of the academic year 2026. It was released particularly. Now, registration will be free. They are not just going to be, it is either you have something they're asking from a Brazilian or you have something that can replace that as a foreign student. Now, without further ado, the next thing you're going to do, you're going to click this link. According to the schedule of each course, the link, click this link. So this registration period is going to be on from November 5 up to the 19th day in the month of December. However, don't forget, either it is ending in December or not, you are resuming in first section. Okay, now let's go to how you are going to assess specific notification or the courses. So you are going to click this link. This is the second link or the third one you are clicking right now. Upon clicking that part, it will bring you here. You see registration open. Master degree in pharmaceutical science, master degree, doctorate in pharmaceutical science, I beg your pardon, master in pharmaceutical science, doctorate in animal science, master degree in cultural studies, master degree in architectural urbanism, doctorate in environmental technologies, masters in environmental technologies, etc. Again, this is massive, guys, and under each program you will see the registration and the deadline until 12th, the 5th day in the month of December, on and on, majority of them. So most of them are also going to be closing in this month of November. Like this one is going to be closing on the 24th of November. So I'm going to be at least use one that's going to be closing soon to simulate. This one is going to be closing on the 20th, administration. This one on the 25th, this one on the 19th, this one on the 21, this one on the 21, etc. So guys, when you click the previous link, this is where it's going to bring you. Now, what are you going to do? Just look for the one that aligns with what you are looking for. Some of you usually ask, can I apply to more than one? Please don't apply to two together in the same school. Why? Because this is a unified application process. There is no way you will know. This is a unified, I'm saying this is a unified, it's different from when like a program advertises their own separately, but this is a unified, and your application is also going to be submitted in a unified database, a unified platform. Okay, so let's just start with this master degree in philosophy. I'm going to be doing a simulation because I promised that from the beginning. I'm just literally showing you how to do it step by step. You need nobody to do all of this. You can do it for yourself. Master degree in philosophy. If you click this part, it will bring you here. Selection in registration in the selection process. Okay, we can see that philosophy selection, and again it's saying it's normal. It is not it's like it's regular. So you can sign up. Registration for this course is open. To register, click on the button of one of the selection processes below. So you are going to sign here. However, before you even go there, you may just want to have some information about the program. So look at the courses that they have. So you might just want to have like an idea of the program. You see, you can check the curriculum structure. Their teachers, if you want to know about their teachers, you can click here. Or if you want to know the research lines, there may be 2 or 3 research lines under this particular opportunity. Under this particular opportunity, philosophy. Okay, and they've already indicated the campus. The particular campus is going to be Campo Grande. So guys, after that, if you click here, it will bring you to this particular place, and this is where it's becoming interesting. Oh, I don't have CPF, I don't have a don't worry, you can use your email. And if you're in Brazil already, you just if you're in Brazil already and you already have your gov.br, the e-signature, just sign in with your e-signature. Yeah, okay. So for the course of this video, since I have the e-signature, I'm going to be signing in with this. But if you don't, if you are not in Brazil already and you don't have CPF, sign in with your email. And if you are in Brazil already, you don't have gov.br, sign in with your email. But if you are accessing it for the first time, you need to create what we call login details. Okay, so this is where it says don't have an account on UFSM graduate portal yet, register here. You forgot, recover. You want to change your email, do that here. Or you have already registered and several attempts, you continue to have access problem, contact them. Come on, how else do you want to describe that a school or a country is nice? Guys, without further ado, I said I'm going to be signing in with my gov.br. So I'm going to click this part. Upon clicking that part, this is where it's going to bring you to, and on this page you just need to fill in the normal regular personal information, and once you are done, you're going to save and move to the next stage. And on the on and on, this is how you are going to get to how you will submit your application. Guys, again, on this channel I don't hoard information. If any of those massive programs listed is not still in your area, no problem, another one is coming. But before you go, I want you to send this opportunity to someone. I want you to use it to bless someone that is interested in coming to Brazil. You know, this is one of the unified opportunity, just like the one we have in there's the other one that I made video about. You know, they did a unified, like you will see all the courses on the same page. So send it to someone that may be interested, tell them to apply and tell them to follow the process that I've just explained, guys. And I am wishing you the best of luck. If you are seeing this channel for the first time, I want you to do me a favor. I want you to like the video and I want you to subscribe. My name is Knowledge Blog. What I do here is to share information about studying abroad. Not only that, if you have watched this video and you find it interesting and maybe you are very busy and you don't know, or you feel it is not something you'll be able to do yourself, you can reach out to me and I can help you. We can discuss on terms on how to help you do that. I'm wishing you the best of luck. Again, if you are seeing this channel for the first time, I want you to like, I want you to subscribe, I want you to share with someone that may be interested. If you apply for this opportunity, you stand the chance of receiving a stipend. That is one. And two, you are going to be resuming in the first semester of 2026, which is going to be around March, April, okay, of 2026. God is going to spare our lives, and I'm looking forward to hear you say you have been selected. Until the next video, at the breve, ciao ciao.